Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Make Navneet. So if you are looking to earn a Microsoft certification, the professional certification from Microsoft, then this video is going to be very useful for you because we are going to discuss how you can earn certification for completely free. Yes, my friends, absolutely at no cost, and these certifications are real professional certification. It is not like a learning badge or course completion certification like that. So let's move forward. Before going forward, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it with your colleagues, friends. If you know any student who all are also wants to have the benefit of Microsoft certification, then kindly share to them as well. So let's first see what all the certification that you can earn. So first one is AG900 Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. So these certifications you will learn the basics of cloud computing and the introduction to Azure services. Then we have DP900 that represent Azure Data Fundamentals. It is like the Azure data solutions, data storage solution, and the different services available, not just for a storage but for data processing and other thing. Then we have AI 900 representing Azure AI fundamentals. So if you are enthusiastic to learn about machine learning and artificial intelligence, this is the entry point. Then also nowadays Microsoft promoting their Power Platform apps and services, so you can earn a PL900 certification, Power Platform Fundamentals as well. And they just have newly added another one. It is added just last month only, that is the SC900 Microsoft Certified Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. In this certification you learn all the security and identity related services and the processes used in Microsoft Azure. Let's move further. So before going to that, as I said earlier, you will get 100% discount voucher for any or all 5. You can, if you want to earn any one, you can opt 1. You want to 2, you can get 2. If you want to all 5, you can get all 5, and at really at no cost. However, one point, these all are, you can see the fundamentals word written here. So all certifications are the fundamental one. There are 3 layer on Microsoft certification: beginner, intermediate and expert. So these all are the beginner level. Next we'll see how we can get this, what is the process, and I'll also show a proof of the certification that I earned a voucher, and then we'll go for some Q&A. So this is the website from Microsoft. There is no any wizardous thing. Microsoft themselves are providing virtual training days. So if you attain any of this one, you will earn something. So to be very specific, if you scroll down here, you can see there are several sections: Azure Business Application, Microsoft 365 and security. So these are the topics. If you open anyone, so I'll put this link in the description box. You can get, you can go and check from there. So if I open Azure, I will see there are several topics: migrating on-premises, my infrastructure and data, AI fundamental, Azure fundamental, virtual desktop. So these are the topics on which they organize events. You have to join those events. On the completion of those events, when you successfully join, attend the session, a voucher will be provided to you. It is that simple. So there are several uh, you can see there are several topics, but if you want, you can register any and gain the knowledge In the event, in the training session, some Microsoft expert will come and explain you the actual services and also guide you how you can learn further. But if you want to check the what how you can get the certification voucher, so just check AI fundamentals, Azure fundamentals and data fundamentals. So this is for DP900, this is for AJ900 and this is for AI900. So you just have to first register for any of the sessions. You can see what is the date when it is going to be organized and the time as well. And one thing, do not get confused with the Pacific time or Eastern time. You can attend from anywhere. Let's say if you are attend you are from India and you want to attend this session, so you need not to wait to get one session which is having an Indian time. Even if it is scheduled at Pacific time, you just have to convert to it the corresponding Indian time. You can use Google anytime. So 9 a.m. makes it as 9:30 p.m. I guess. So on 13th September, if you are attending this from India, you have to join as 9:30 p.m. How you can register? Click on whatever uh, event you want to join. A page like this will open for you. If you scroll down a little, they are giving the description like what is the topics, what is the subject, and then you can see Microsoft Azure. Take the Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification exam at no cost. So they will be giving the exam voucher for you. They are given the subjects and the uh, planning. So in the right hand side you see a registration form. Give your first name, last name, email, phone, country code, phone number. If you are in any job, then give the job name. If you are not doing the job, you can say you are looking for a job. If you are a student, you can give a student company name. If you are a student, then give the organization name where you are, institution name, sorry, where you are studying, then country, company size, and just a captcha and register now. Once you click on the register now, after filling all this information, confirmation mail will reach to you immediately, and the event link will also be there. But need not to worry if you miss to save that email, because they will be keep sending you reminders until the day when this actual event is scheduled, and one day before they will send a kind of final reminder with the event link. You can better if you join with that link. So very rarely they change the event link, but it's always preferable to join with the latest event link provided. And one thing that you need to make sure, when you are giving an email, you the email should be correct. All information should be correct, because you will not be able to change your name or your name later on. And the email which you are providing here, even you will get the event link there, and the voucher will be associated to that email account only. So giving email is very crucial here. So I'll quickly go for just check like what certifications you can get. So AI 900 you have to register from here. For AG 900 you have to register from here. For DP 900 you have to register from here. Now talking about PL 900 and SC 900, so those are not part of Azure, so those are separate business unit by Microsoft. So I'll go back to the main page. So Power Platforms are part of business application. So if you want to get PL 900 certification voucher, then go to business applications, and here you will get Power Platform fundamentals. This is the one for PL 900 free voucher. Similarly, security, you have now they are focusing more on security, advertising more on how the security they have implemented, what kind of privacy they provide. So they have created a separate section for it, and inside this one Yeah, security, compliance, and the identity fundamentals. So do not get confused with the one event link provided. This is keep updating whenever they schedule a plan or next one. They will keep updating this event links. So this was the process how you can do it. So I'll quickly show a proof. So once you complete the virtual training day, you will how you can get your voucher and how you can avail that. So I am on the browse certification and exams page from Microsoft account. I have logged into my account here. So here you can see all the certifications which all are uh, currently provided by Microsoft is listed here. You can see 294 results. So I had attended the PL 900 training session. So I'll quickly go and check. Yeah friends, so now you can see there is two uh, search result for PL 900. One is certification, one is exam. So actually you have to attend the exam, you have to appear the exam, and once you complete the exam you will be awarded the certification. So even if you open this link, it will land you here only later on. And one more thing, I was talking earlier about the levels. So levels, you can see, since I have searched with PL 900, it is showing what level it has. Earlier, if I go back, if I clear my search, you can see three roles. There are several roles. Levels are given three: advanced, beginner, and intermediate, as I said earlier. So these free certifications all are the beginner one. Let's quickly go back to check the voucher. So I'll go and try to schedule my exam. If I go down, you can see the $99 is the charges for it. So if I click on schedule with Pearson VOE, so I am quickly going through the discount page. I'll make a separate video for how to schedule exam. I'll start with like how to create an account. I have already created an account. So how to create an account and how to schedule. So I have already filled up my details earlier. If I click on continue, I can see the page which is yet to load. Here it is. Here you can see 100% Microsoft training day attendance claim. So I am showing this one as a proof how you can get the voucher. And one more thing, so even if you have attended the session with some other email and you have created your Microsoft account with some other email, even though you can, in that case, you can give your email here with the email you attended the virtual session and check the click on the check eligibility. The coupon will start showing here. So it happens like if you are in IT job, you have already created a Microsoft account with your work email, but you don't want to join the virtual training sessions with your work email. You are attending those sessions with your personal email, or vice versa. In that case, you can simply give the email, check the availability, and the coupon will be granted to you. So one thing that you can see, that is a blurred. I also has given a coupon from my employer. That's a personal information, so I blurred here. So this is the method how you can get the exam voucher. We quickly go to Q&A session then. So these are the some basic questions I have written based on the questions I received from some of my colleagues and friends to whom I explained the same method personally. So first question, who all are eligible? So anyone is eligible. There is no mandate to like someone is working on IT or working on Azure. If you have enthusiasm to Azure, even if you are not from IT background but you want to learn, you want to have a certification, you are eligible. You are a student, you are in some different job, you are planning to move into the Azure or IT industry, anyone, if you are interested, you can register and join. When and how to join register training? Yeah, so good question. So I'll suggest to join 15 minutes before than the scheduled time, because I personally haven't experienced that, but some of my friends have said like if they are trying to join after 1 or 2 minutes of the actual time, the website is not allowing to enter. So I'll quickly say like, uh, if you click on the event link, there is no prerequisite of any software to be installed in your system. The session will start in the browser itself, and first it will ask to give the email address with whom you registered. So once you give the email address and click on enter, you actually entered in the session. So it is suggested to start 15 minutes before. What activities are part of virtual day training? So there are no activities from your side except learning. So once you enter in the training session, the experts will be giving you the material and learning. If you have questions, you can ask to them. They will have a Q&A session at the end, but you can post the questions anytime. But there is no homework or any task that is asked to you to perform during the session. Even if you want to just join and leave, that is fine, but I'll suggest to attend this session because those are very specific to the point and very helpful when you are appearing for the examination. Is there any hidden charges or taxes? No, there is no hidden charges. You will be paying only zero. There is no charge. Even the taxes they are paying themselves. So once you click on the claim, I had shown you the coupon voucher. Once you click on the claim, you proceed further. You may see some amount is written, but if you go to the last page, like after scheduling the time, after selecting the date and time, you can see some charges, but at the end, even if you download the receipt, you will see you are paying zero. I'll create a separate video on how to schedule when the coupon will be granted. Coupon usually it is granted by next day only after completing the training day session. In most of the cases it is granted by next day, and I would say like 90% cases it is granted on next day. So after completing the session, you will receive a confirmation email, thanks giving email like thanks for attending the virtual day training session, like that. So if you are receiving that email, that is a kind of confirmation you have got the voucher. In some cases voucher may arrive after, within 3 days or after 3 days, but Microsoft says it will be granted within 7 days. They give a time of 7 days. How to utilize coupon? Is it alphanumeric coupon code? No, it's not alphanumeric coupon code. The code will be automatically associated with the email address with whom you have joined the session. If your email address is same as your Microsoft account and training day registration, you can directly see the voucher at your Microsoft account itself. Validity of coupon is a 1 year from the day it was granted. So if you are not using it after exactly the same day next year, it will get expired. Re-attending the virtual day training with same account. Yes, you can re-attend. You can attend n number of times. You can earn n number of coupon as well. In case if your coupon is expired, you are not able to attempt the examination in 1 year, or you are not fortunate to complete the examination in first attempt, you can re-attend uh, and earn the voucher again, even with the same email for the same certification. Let's say if it is a AZ900, if you are not able to complete in first attempt, you can again attend the virtual training, you will get a voucher. And I'll suggest kindly re-attempt only in case you your voucher got expired or you were failed to clear the exam. Just attending multiple examinations, just attending multiple sessions and collecting multiple coupons is not a good idea. In this way we are blocking someone else opportunity. So these were the questions that I got from my friends. If you have any other question, kindly post in the comment box. I'll try to answer that as soon as possible. And thanks for watching this video. Again, I'll request to kindly subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to create more interesting and informative videos down the line. Thank you.